Did you know that some scientists call a new theory beautiful? They do not mean it is pretty. They mean it is simple and elegant. It feels right. This idea of beauty in truth is not new. Ancient storytellers in India also sought beautiful explanations for the world. These stories were their way of making sense of everything. They asked big questions. Where did the world come from? What is time? What are we made of? These are the same questions that physicists ask today. The language is different, but the curiosity is the same. It is a human hunger to understand our place in the cosmos. One looks for patterns in numbers and experiments. The other finds patterns in emotions and stories. The physicist builds giant telescopes to see distant stars. The storyteller closes their eyes to see worlds within the mind. They both try to map the unknown. The search for answers is a dance between what we know and what we wonder. Let us look how these two worlds try to explain our existence. Modern physics tells us a story of creation. It is a story that begins with the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. Everything in the universe was squeezed into a single tiny hot point. Then suddenly, it expanded. Matter, energy, space, and time were born. The universe cooled. Stars and galaxies started to form. Eventually, on a small blue planet, we came to be. This is the scientific origin story. Indian myths also have stories of creation. There are many of them. One speaks of a cosmic egg, the Brahmanda, that contained everything. Then it broke open and the universe emerged. Another tells of a vast ocean of milk where Vishnu slept on a serpent. From his navel a lotus bloomed, and on it sat Brahma, the creator. Brahma spoke the world into existence. These are poetic visions, not theories, yet both begin from a single source. An expansion in physics, a flowering in myth. The language differs, cosmology and poetry, but the idea rhymes. Let us explore another fascinating parallel. This one is about time. In modern physics, time is not constant. Einstein showed it is relative. It can stretch and it can shrink. Near light speed, time slows down for the traveler. Space and time weave into space-time, which gravity can warp. Our human sense of time is only one perspective. Now, a story from the Puranas, King Ravata and his daughter Revati. Seeking a worthy husband, the king journeyed to Brahmaloka for counsel. Brahma was listening to music, and the king waited. It seemed only moments. Then the king asked for help. Brahma laughed and said ages had passed on earth. Time flows differently in different worlds, in different lokas. Friends and suitors were gone. A civilization had passed. Brahma advised marrying her to Balarama, now living on earth. The story illustrates time dilation, a moment for a god, an eternity for a human. It is not a paper on relativity. Its purpose is different. It teaches humility and widens our perspective. Physicists prove with equations. Storytellers make us feel it. Both expand our minds and challenge common sense with a bigger, stranger reality. So, did Indian myths predict modern physics? The answer is no. This is the wrong question to ask. They are two different ways of knowing. Science is about the objective world. It builds a verifiable story with experiments and evidence. Science is a public truth. It explains how things work and gives us technology and medicine, a map of the cosmos. Mythology is about the subjective world, our inner reality. It offers meaning, identity, values. Its truths are felt, not measured. Myths change when they cease to give meaning. They guide how to live in the world. They give us art and ritual, a map of the human soul. To say one is better is like saying eyes are better than ears. Across eras, the mind arrived at similar ideas. A beginning from one point, time as relative, a cyclical universe, perhaps archetypes of the cosmos, or of the human mind. We are made of stardust. The universe is within us too.